Today we are replacing the headlamp bulbs on the 992 Mazda 3. This is a 2013 Mazda 3 Sport Skyactiv G. This will cost about 40 bucks to do both of them. I feel if one goes out, the other one's on the way, so let's get started. Make sure ignition is off, as well as the lights themselves. We are using a recommended H11 series. Consult your parts store for the right one, as you might have HID lights on your Mazda 3. Get in behind the headlamp socket and simply twist counterclockwise, considering you are working from in front of the light bulb harness. Pull it from the socket. Now you can work the squeeze tab to release the bulb from the harness. It has a small area of lines for grip to push on. It's pretty simple, but they recommend gloves and not to touch the bulb with your bare hands. The salts and oils will damage the bulb. Once squeezed well enough, you can pull the bulb from the harness. Carefully take out the new bulb and move it into and connect it to the harness. Now apply the harness and bulb together back into the socket, remembering that you took it out counterclockwise position, so work it into the socket, finding those grooves again. Once flush, twist clockwise and secure fitment. At this point, you can check your work by turning the lights on. Success! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.